Now in this video we are going to see how we can solve an equation that require us to use change of base. How do you know that the equation requires you to use change of base? Is when you see that the bases are different. If you look at the base here is 4 and then the base here is x. The moment you see that, just know you are going to apply change of base. That we looked at it. If you didn't see the video on change of base, I'm going to link it here and then you can go and watch it. Now here we have a base 4 and base x, so you can change one in terms of the other according to what you want, but it is recommended that you change the base to a numerical value, meaning we are going to change x to 4. So using our change of base that says if you have log base n of m is the same as 1 out of log base m of n when they are interchanged, is what we are going to apply here. So we come and say we shall have 2 log base 4 of x plus 1 minus 1 out of, now these ones are going to be interchanged, so it's going to be log base 4 of x, which is equal to now 0. Now if you clearly see now this one is the same as this, so you can go ahead and let them. So let log base 4 of x be, for example, m. So we put it there, so we shall have 2m plus 1 minus 1 out of m is equal to 0. So when you multiply throughout, multiplying throughout by m, we shall have 2m square plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. So if that is true, if you look at this, this is a quadratic equation. So using any method of solving quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, factorization, and completing squares, we realize that you can have 2m minus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0. So after reaching here, you come and say either 2m minus 1 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 equal to 0. So either your m is equal to a half or your m is equal to -1. Now you don't stop here. After obtaining m, you must get x because that was our aim. So you come and say when m is equal to a half, it means our log, you see it here, our log base 4 of x is going to be a half. Therefore, we can say that x is the same as 4 to power a half. And any number to power a half is the same as the root of that number. So in this case is root 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Now here we are not considering the negative because we cannot obtain the logarithm of a negative value. Okay, so we take 2. So we come and say when also m is equal to -a half, our log base 4 of x is equal to -a half. Therefore, our x is equal to 4 to power -a half, which tells us that x is equal to 1 out of 4. So we have x as 2 and also x as 1 out of 4. Now I want to give you a trial question that you also try. So you solve the equation that is log base n of 4 plus 2 log base 4 of n is equal to 3. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like the video, share it, click the notification such that when I upload the video, you can get notified. we meet in the next. Comment your answer in the comment section for our logarithm. Thank you. We meet in the next.